So I like to think of this in terms of three different concepts. And we've got continuous planning, which is your boilerplate, Scrum Alliance, basic Agile. There's continuous delivery, and there's knowledge management. So continuous planning, if we're putting this all on one page, we know it's feedback driven. Someone gives us some feedback, we adapt to it. We also know that changing requirements are going to drive ongoing development, and we can have in our continuous planning system, like in a Jira implementation, all of the tasks that are going to get done from an enterprise level all in one place and searchable so that this can be leveraged. Knowledge management takes that even further by having a tool that's more accessible to different types of people, like a Confluence, for example, or a SharePoint, who are not necessarily just developers. And we can have all of our documentation of our processes, all of our documentation of our systems in one place, so that we can start to think and adapt and talk and evolve as an organization with a global view of everything. And if we've implemented continuous delivery, we're able to capitalize on these ideas by making production-ready code available all the time. Like we saw, Amazon is putting out production-ready code into production every 11.7 seconds. Incremental small changes. You'll see that these things, particularly when we're talking about Facebook, these are tiny changes that individually have almost no impact on the user experience, but over time they have a major impact. Individually they've got small impacts. And that enables there to be a continuous improvement program which is sustainable. So what we end up with when we put these three concepts together is this continuous delivery system becomes the beating heart of the organization. Our human heart beats 72 times a minute for our entire lives, 80 years, 90 years, 100 years. And it's pumping out nutrients, it's pumping out information in the sense of chemical content to all the systems in our body all the time. And that's what the continuous delivery system can enable us to do.